Hello guys, welcome back my YouTube channel. Today we are going to drawing and coloring a big heart puppet with the rainbow colors. Let's start the video. I'm draw a big heart. Then I divide it into some lines like this. Then I draw some balls. I use black pig marker to make this video more visible. Wow, it's look nice. And I use rainbow colors in puppet. First I use purple. Then I use sea green for second line. Wow, it's done. Then I use orange for third line. Wow. I use dark purple for fourth line. Awesome. I use pink for fifth line like this. Perfect. I use green at the last line. Great, it's done. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and like my video.